Hello everyone, as I said earlier, today we are going to count the number of even numbers and number of odd numbers in a list of numbers. So welcome to ByteFrame Technologies, this is Sai Krishna, let's learn together. Now the logic is we have to count the list of even numbers and the odd numbers from a list of numbers. So that means we'll have to create a list. Let us assume the name of the list is A, and to create a list we have to use the square brackets. There are different types of lists. You have tuples, you have dictionaries, but let us start with the basic list, which starts with square bracket and ends with an A square bracket. So let us enter some values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So clear, we have created a list with this line of code. Now we will have to create some counters to count even numbers and odd numbers. Let us assume the counter of even number is even underscore counter, which by default will be 0, and for odd numbers the counter is 0 again. So in our previous code, in our previous class, we know how to identify a number is even or odd, but we have a list of numbers, so we have to give each number one by one to that code. So to give each number one by one, we will have to use a keyword called for n in A. A is our list and n is our new variable, which will run from the first value of A to the last value of A. So now n has taken 1 first. Now let us see whether it is divisible by 2 or not. Now if it is divisible by 2, that means is equal to 0, then what we have to do? We have to add 1 to our counter. So even underscore counter is equal to even underscore counter plus 1. So we can also do it in other way. I will do it for odd counter. Else odd underscore counter plus equals to 1. This is nothing but odd counter is equal to odd counter plus 1. This operator will reduce your effort. Okay, now clear. Our if statement is finished, our for loop is finished. Now let us print what is the even counter and what is the odd counter at the end. Print even numbers are plus, we have to convert it to string because it's a number at even counter. Now let us copy and paste it shamelessly. Odd, this one also going to become odd. Clear? Now let us save it, run the program. Yes, see, we have created a number list A with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 values, even counter which are 4, that means 2, 4, 6 and 8, 4, and odd counter has 5, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Right, we got the output. And n, it, as I said, n, it ran from 1 to 9, that's why it got ended at 9. Okay, thank you. We'll meet you in the next class.